Hi, welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Say, I really got a cool boat here to show you. This is the 2023 Ski Nautique from Nautique. This is their ski boat. It is the closed bow, true ski boat. This thing is unbelievable. Just the look of the design of it. They remade this boat a few years ago now, but it is made with carbon fiber and fiberglass, so it's actually a super light boat, trying to create as least awake as you can in the back. So I just love the look of it. You can see it has the nice white, and then we did the haze gray on the outside. Just a beautiful looking boat from the outside. As we come to the back here, you've got a nice spot to put your ski on. You got a nice place to sit. You can stand right here. There's a remote control back here for the stereo. There's some courtesy lights in the back. And then I'll just kind of show you underneath here. So what they came out with, they call micro tuners. Those actually will deploy down and then fill in what they call the trough of the ski wake. So you don't have as much of that bump when you're going through with your ski. It's nice and smooth if you're doing some tournament skiing back and forth. So really cool technology from Nautique. Let's go to the interior of this Ski Nautique and take a look at some of the other options. All right, welcome to the interior of this Ski Nautique. Wanted to show you a couple things back here. So we've got some nice seats back into here. These do pop out, these cushions pop out, and there's SeaDeck right underneath there. So if you don't want to have to step on any of your cushions, you can pop those all out and you can step right on the SeaDeck. It gets wet, easy to dry, that sort of thing. So it's kind of nice. So on both sides of the boat, we do have storage specifically for your slalom ski. It's on a nice gas strut right here. You've got some storage right in here for gloves or whatever you need. They have a spot specifically back here for the rope. Just kind of hangs right there, and then your ski can kind of go right into here and then shut and lock it. So that's kind of cool, and it's on both sides. All right, I'm going to walk forward just a little bit here. And then in true ski boat fashion, you do have the nice seat right here, the spotter seat. And then up underneath, if you have anything else that does fit, the covers underneath there, we got the battery switch, but another ski or anything like that, it goes all the way up to where the closed bow is. So that's kind of nice to have. And then I'll have you come up this way a little bit, and I'm going to open up the engine hatch. So nice and easy. It's on two big gas struts. We've got some nice foam in here to help with the engine noise, so it's super quiet. And then this particular one, we ordered it with the ZZ6. So this is 450 horsepower with 465 foot-pounds of torque. So this thing is like a Corvette on the water, just a fun boat to drive as well. So push that down. And then obviously we've got the place to put the rope. Pop that back on there when you're not using it. And then right here at the helm, just like all our other Nautiques, we got a beautiful helm seat. It does have a bolster to lift you up if you'd like. And then the 12.4-inch link paddle race system. And then this system software, it is specific to skiing, being able to chart out a course no matter what you want. And then rope length, you can put that all information in there. And then obviously your speed, you can do all of that within the software system that Nautique gives you. So this is the Ski Nautique. It is a beautiful boat, a lot of fun to drive. It's here at our Rogers location, so you can come in, take a look at it. You can give us a call, we can set up a demo, whatever you'd like to do. And as always, click the like button on this video and then click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out on a daily basis.